Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 10 of React.js. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to create Navbar using Bootstrap. Previously we have seen like how we can create Navbar using CSS. Now we will see how we can create Navbar using Bootstrap. In previous video we already discussed the installation part of Bootstrap and configuration part, how we can configuration Bootstrap. In this video we will create Navbar using Bootstrap. So what is the first step? What we will do? Okay, so first we will do. Okay, first one is create create a folder inside in src folder with name of component. Okay, so create a folder in src folder with name of component. Okay, we will write the component name of that folder inside the folder. Okay, inside the folder create a file called navbar.js. Okay, navbar.js file. Okay, so first let's finish these two steps. Okay, first we will create the component folder inside src folder. So here we have our project. So here we have src folder. Inside the src folder, what we will do, we will create a component folder. So I will write here components. Okay, so inside the component folder we need to create a navbar.js file. Okay, so we will create here capital N. Make sure your component name must be capital navbar.js. Okay, this is navbar component we are going to create, right? So what we will write, we will write function const navbar. Your file name and function name must be same, and we are going to create arrow function. Okay, this is the syntax to create arrow function. Please remember, guys. Okay, so here we will write return, and inside the return first we will write like empty text, right? Empty text. Now what we will do, we will write the navbar code. Okay, so how we will create the navbar? So I will write here nav. Okay, I will write here navbar simply, nav only, because we are going to write CSS property here inside the navbar. So I will write here class name navbar, then navbar slash navbar dash dark, right? Then after that I will write bg dark. Bg is nothing but background. Okay, navbar expand sn, right? So let me format this. Okay, so it's coming properly. And once we create this navbar file, now we will export this component. Okay, export default navbar. Okay, so this component where we will call this component, or where we exactly keep this component in app.js file. Here I will call the component. What's the component name? Navbar. Okay, but before calling the name, what we need to do, we need to import this navbar. Okay, so I will write here import navbar. Okay, from what's the location? Actually location is, what's the location? Components slash navbar dot js. Okay, here is the location. Okay, let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, so it is working. Now what we need to do, we need to write text also. Between the navbar we will write some text like full stack training course. Okay, this is the name of my navbar. Okay, so my text is not visible here properly because I have to give some, what we can say. Okay, so I will write this text in one anchor text between the anchor text, right? And I'll give here slash only because I'm not giving any link right now. Then I will use class, bootstrap class I will use, right? And what property I will give? Navbar dash bra. Okay, so can you see it's coming nicely? Okay, and if you want to give some padding, you can also give the padding. Oh, sorry, margin you can also give. Okay, mx I can say 3. Okay, so it's coming properly, right? So like this we can create the navbar. All right, so let me copy this code and paste this code here so that you can practice. Okay, this is what file? Navbar.js. Okay, this is the navbar.js file, right? And you can practice here, right? And okay, Why it's numbering coming? Wait, just a moment. So what's the file name? Navbar.js. File name, or we can say component name, right? So here is our file, right? And now let me paste also which file. What's the name of the file? Another file is app.js. Okay. So here is the code for app.js. Okay, you can practice. Okay, without practice you will not get any confidence, right? So that's why you need to keep practice if you really want to learn React.js. All right. So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. In the next lecture, we will discuss how we can create card using Bootstrap. Okay, in this video, we have learned how we can create Navbar, but in another video, we will create Bootstrap cards. Okay, so thank you everyone.